If you use Chrome every day and have a few different windows with tabs you like to open up all the time, I have something to show you. I have this program here that when I click on it, opens up not just one window with specific tabs, but another window that has other specific tabs that I choose. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. First, you're gonna wanna open Notepad. The first thing you're gonna wanna type on the Notepad file is @echo-off. Because of the file we're making, called a batch file, which will open up a little command prompt window whenever you run it for a quick couple seconds, we're basically telling Windows, you don't need to show anything in that console window because we don't really care what it says, just as long as it opens our windows. Then on the next line, write Start Chrome, exactly like this. Then write --new -window, exactly like this. We're telling it we want to open a new window. Then, after that, write exactly like this, --profile-directory equals quote default quote with a capital D. With this, we are just telling Chrome that we want to use the Chrome profile we are already logged into. And then we can start putting our links. We just put two quotes right next to each other, and then we click inside of the quotes, and then we hit Control-V, or you can type in whatever link you want. And that indicates that's a tab we want opened in this window. And of course, we can open up multiple tabs within the same window. We just put two more of these double quotes right next to the first one, and then we type in or paste the link in there. Now, once you have all the links that you want in there, make sure to type in the word exit as the last line of the program. This tells that little command prompt window to close. You can name the program whatever you want, but make sure it ends with the .bat file extension and that you click on here and click all files. Now, when I click on this batch file, it'll open up a window with the 3 tabs I specified earlier. And yes, you can do this with Chrome, but we want to open up multiple windows, so how do we do that? You can just copy the same thing we did up here, except change the links to make them different. And once you've done that, you can hit save on the file. You can even do this as many times as you want to. And now, just like I showed you at the beginning of the video, I can now click on the batch file and it'll open up 2 windows with the tabs I specified in the Notepad file. And that's all you need to do.